Hi Thinkernetters, I'm Tom Knoll, president of CIMI Corporation. Everybody's probably heard the rumors by now that may even be true, which is that YouTube, Google is now developing a new strategy which is going to be to allow some content producers to actually charge for content instead of relying on ad sponsorship. And if this is done, it could really solve some problems in the industry and it could potentially exacerbate some other ones. The problem it solves is that we definitely need more content sources and we need more sources of good content. There's a drive and a demand for content that really kind of exceeds the supply. There's only so many I Love Lucy reruns that you're going to be willing to watch. And so if we really expect to expand things like online viewing, we have to provide some new and original material. The other problem, though, is that if you look at the delivery of free or ad-sponsored content over the internet, it doesn't raise too many major concerns about issues like traffic growth and settlement. But if you start charging for it, it now looks like you're running a business over someone else's infrastructure and then not paying the tab. In the US, the neutrality rules would seem to prevent any immediate problem, but in Europe and in other parts of the world, we could see this drive faster a movement that's already underway, which is to allow the content providers to be charged for the use of access networks to deliver content to the customer. And obviously, there's a lot of ways that that could happen through peering charges, through caching and CDN charges, and so forth. But the point of it is that it is going to bring to the fore a question that's already being asked, which is there a need for a different financial model? There's definitely a need for a different content model, though. So we've got a benefit on one side, we have a risk on the other side, and we're going to have to watch how this balance plays out over the next couple of years. Thank you. I'm Tom Knoll.